Hello everyone, I am Shubhradipta Shaha from Ivy Professional School. Today, I am thrilled to present to you a geospatial analysis dashboard that I have just completed using a world population dataset. This dashboard is crafted for those passionate about global trends, demographic analysis, and spatial patterns. I have organized this dashboard into three main sections: population dynamics, demographic landscape, and country level analysis. Each part offers a deep dive into the fascinating world of population statistics with dynamic filters and parameters for a customizable experience. Let's start with population dynamics. In this section, I have put a year parameter from where the user can choose any year, like I'm choosing 2023, to see the global population trends. The user can also find KPI cards showing the total and average population worldwide for that selected year. Like the KPI card over here, it is showing the total worldwide population for the year 2023 was 8.04 billion and the average worldwide population in that year was 0.01 billion. I have also included two filled maps, one showing continents, another for countries. Both color coded from deep orange to dark blue to represent population levels. The more the color tends towards darker shade of orange, the lower is the population in that region. The more the color tends towards dark blue, the higher is the population in the region. I have labeled the areas with the highest population, such as Asia had the highest population in 2023 among the continents, and India had the highest population in 2023 among the countries, for quick reference. Now, moving on to the demographic landscape. Here I have introduced parameters for growth rate and world percentage. The user can see average values for the chosen indicator on the KPI cards. So this KPI card, it shows the average world percentage in 2023, which was 0.43%. Here also I have put two field maps, one for continent, another for country. Among countries, Asia had the highest share in world percentage of population, and India among countries had the highest share in world percentage of population. I have also put tooltips to provide more information as the user hovers over the regions. Suppose when I am moving my cursor, this is giving in 2023 Russia, the world percentage share was 1.80%. Now, country level analysis. If the user choose any country from the drop down menu, suppose Bangladesh, the KPI cards will show the metrics like rank, which is 8, population growth rate, which was 1.03%, and share in total world population, which was 2.16%. The population trend graph also shows the percentage change in population over time for the chosen country, which is Bangladesh in this case. This helps in spatial planning and decision making. Lastly, the spatial dynamics. This shows how area and population density are correlated. Using the cluster and trend line feature, I have shown that one cluster, that is this orange one, it shows a negative correlation between area and density, which can be seen by the trend line also. And this blue color trend line, it shows little or no relationship. The scatter plot visualizes how population density varies across different sized countries. Like over here, Russia and Canada, the areas of the countries are large, but the density is low compared to the areas for Russia and Canada. Similarly, if we see for Monaco and Macau, the area is much lower compared to Russia and Canada, but the population density for these two countries are higher. So, this information is vital for spatial planning and resource allocation, guiding policies on land use and urban development. I have also added a highlight feature for focusing on specific countries without needing to hover on them. So over here, from here, if I choose a country, that country will get highlighted. Suppose I'm choosing Bangladesh, that country will get highlighted and I'll be easily able to locate the position of that country. Thank you for joining me on this geospatial journey.
Yes.